Whew. Welcome back, guys. It's been a long couple of days. I've been doing much recording, just been doing a lot of fishing. Going out with family, realized that I'm gonna do a tournament. Signed up for it. Me and my brother-in-law signed up for a tournament on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, it's the evening, Wednesday evening. I'm gonna go out with my dad today, do a little bit of fishing, see how that works. Me and Joey went out this morning. We did pretty good. We caught 4. I was gonna record it, but I was trying to focus on this tournament and find places, find the fish, and remember where the fish are. So sorry I didn't bring you guys along. This time I will, though. I'll probably bring you along tomorrow as well. I am tired. A lot of fishing. But yeah, me and Dad are gonna go out right now, so you guys stay tuned. See if we can hook on to some monsters. Bye bye. You got one? Nice. There we go. You gonna flip it, or you wanna? Yeah. There we go. Mr. Barnjarno coming in with the clutch. Granddad. Heck yeah. Show the camera your monster, dude.
Yeah. Seems like I'm always showing them minnows, aren't I? Thank you very much.
Very good. Good job, Dad. Man, that was cool. Oh! He fucking came all the way right there. He missed it again. That was only like 1.5 pounds, though. I wonder if the GoPro caught that. There he is. Ooh, that might be a big fish. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Yep, that's a good sized fish. That might be a 5. And here he comes. No, he's like a 4. He's had a bunch of moss on him. All right. Oh, he barely was hooked. Oh, no, he wasn't. He was hooked pretty good. No, he was barely hooked. My goodness. Ow, you fucker. Stop. Stop.
Hello.
All right, there you go, guys. Frogfish, late evening bite. Let's see what he weighs. Get him back up there.
380.
Maybe. Close. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. Oh,
3 ounces.
not bad. There's another one. Jumper. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. That's a little bigger. All right. Stop it. That's a 3. Maybe like a 3.2. No, don't mess with that. You're gonna almost hook your son. All right, here we go, guys. There's another one.
Hi, Clayton. Sideways.
What?
Nice.
the weight on them, guys.
Would you say 3.4? I'm gonna say 3.6.
You're both wrong.
Heavier?
It was 3.8 before he started shaking. .7 and 7/8. Good fish.
Nice one.
There we go. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
gosh. He's coming straight at me. Straight at us. Yep, that's a 3.5. Gotta hurry up because my battery's about to die. Oh, come on, buddy. You think you wanted it? He engulfed that thing. My goodness. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Ah, come on, dude. There we go. £3 8 ounces. Good job, buddy. All right, that's a frog rod, baby. One that doesn't give. I think so.
Oh, they're not.
They're catfishing though, yeah. They might not be the same ones, but they are. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah. I am. All right, good net job, Pops. All right. Not bad, not bad. Yep. I already had my limit, but this is probably not big enough to.
Frog limit. It's back there.
Yeah, this one's not big enough. This is probably about 2 pounds. There you go, guys. Another frog fish. Backflip. And he goes. All right, guys. Had a pretty good time on the water with Dad. Caught, I believe, 5 frogfish and 1 on a Texas rig. Dad caught 1 on a drop shot, was it? Dad caught 1 on the drop shot, so we had 7 fish total. It's a pretty good couple hours, so not so bad. I'm gonna give a shout out to the whole dang fam. Carson, Clayton, you guys are my biggest fans. Yeah, all of them. Nani, Tim, my son Mateo, my daughter Lola. I want to thank you guys and all my supporters out there. You guys are great people. Hope you guys like this content. If you do, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, a comment, anything like that, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching T-Bone Fishing, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.